How's it going, everybody? It's a beautiful day here in Anaheim. Today we'll be taking a room tour of the Hampton Inn and Suites at Garden Grove out here right next to Disneyland. We got a 2-queen with tub room, and we're going to do a room tour with y'all. So let's get going. And here we are on the 5th floor at room 512, so let's go in and check it out. As we enter the room, to the left you got your light switch. And we're going to start right into the bathroom. As you can see, huge vanity here, mirror, your towels, provided soaps, your hair dryer, toilet paper, toilet, and then your step towel. No extra soaps in the bathtub. This is a room with bathtub. And then out of there, we turn completely around to this huge closet with full mirrors, 2 full-size mirrors there. You got your hangers, your extra blankets and pillow, your luggage rack, your ironing board, and your iron. Lots of space in there for plenty of bags. From the closet here, I wanted to make a mention about the bathroom. So the bathroom's here. It is a barn style door. That is how you open and close it. Alright, next we're going to move over here where the coffee pot and the coffee are located with your extra cups. You have your mini fridge here, but it's a pretty decent sized fridge. Plenty of shelf rack space and a little, not freezer, it's not frozen or anything, but pretty decent. Now let's move to the main area where the beds are located. This is a double queen, so the first bed right here, I'd say that's about a medium firmness bed. And then you can see obviously there's 2 of them. Lots of desk space. We have a desk over there where the TV is located, and then this additional one here with some pull out, I'm not sure what these things are called, but they're just extra seating. And then on the edge here you can see we have USB and standard outlets. Pretty decent sized TV there, not too bad. Underneath the TV is the microwave. There is a microwave provided with your ice bucket and cups. And then it looks like there's plenty of storage for like longer stays if you have muffins or bread or any kind of snacks you want to put in there. Plenty of space for that. Between the 2 beds you have a little pull-out desk right here, and then another USB and 2 more outlets and a clock. Plenty of lighting in this room. And like I was saying, another mirror with another desk here. This is a much nicer chair. Little firm, but not too bad. More outlets. Then there's an outlet on the lamp as well. And then to the left behind there is a chair. So you got a little desk right here you could pull out, move it around as you need, and you can put your laptop on it. There is an outlet behind there that is open for that. For your heating and cooling, this is not there. It says thermostats on the wall. It's a little broken there. But the thermostat is right back here on the wall, right where you enter. And of course, one of the best parts about the room is the view. So we are on the 5th floor, and if we look straight down, we got a view of the pool. Pool goes from 3 feet to 5 feet. Over here we have a kiddie pool, which goes from 1 foot to 1.5 feet. And then back there is the hot tub, plenty of seating and covered areas. And then on top of that, over here, you have another just seating area to lounge outside. It's just encompassing this whole area. A couple things I wanted to point out. The pool is open from 9 a.m. to 10 p.m. They do not have a direct shuttle to Disney. There is a shuttle pass you can pay for through a QR code they have at the front desk, and then there's a bus right outside, but it takes you straight there. Current rate for an adult for a whole day was $6, and a child from 3 to 9 was $2.50. So there is a shuttle, but it's not through the hotel. And just for reference to where that pickup point is right there, so we got the pool right here. If you look straight out and go right there, that is the pickup location. Well, that's pretty much it for the room tour. As you can see, the room is very spacious. Plenty of charging points, and there's even another just regular outlet right here on the outside of the bed if you need it. There's lots of outlets. Fridge is plenty large, and the bathroom is very spacious. Like I said, I like the room, and we will definitely be staying here again in the future. So if you enjoyed today's video, please hit that like button. Let me know you enjoyed it. Of course, subscribe to the channel. I love the support. It's free to do, and we're going to Disneyland and doing some more room tours in the near future. So thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.